My name is Zanele, and I'm a big believer in transformation. I'm a big believer in a person becoming who God has created them to be.
Step into the rhythm of a brand new mind. We have arrived. We are living in the light. From the great to the boy, I will shine.
Hi everyone, this is your girl Z. You can call me Zanele or Tandegile. You're welcome to Becoming Z, where we transform our life one step at a time. So today I felt like let me introduce myself to the people that might not know me. My name is Zanele, and I'm a big believer in seeing people transforming their lives and actually becoming who God has called them to be. So I started this journey where I felt like there were so many things that I needed to change about my life. It was about my weight, it was about my faith, it was about my education. There were so many things that I needed to change in my life. I really wanted to become who God has called me to be. And then this is part of it, where I actually teach people who like how to transform to become who God has called them to be. So in this page, we're going to be learning about how do we transform our lives when it comes to faith, and then how do we transform our lives when it comes to learning AI? How do we transform our lives when it comes to opening businesses and then making money for ourselves? So it's not only going to be becoming in one area, but it's going to be becoming in so many areas of our lives. My deepest desire is to get people that says, you know, enough is enough. I am tired of the life that I am living right now. I want to see change in my life. I want to see myself becoming who God has created me to be. You know, I feel like where I am stuck. It can be in business, and then you feel like, you know, I can do better. In this episode, in this podcast, we're going to be talking about that. How do you make your business become better? Maybe using AI. And then maybe in your faith, you feel like, you know what, I want to go deeper. I want to really know this God. I've heard people talking about this God, and then I don't know him. And then this page is right for you. You can come and then you can learn. So what is going to be happening on Mondays, we're going to, like, I will structure it in such a way that maybe on Mondays we do AI lessons, and then on Wednesday we do faith, and then maybe on Friday I tell you about my life. I tell you about my journey, about my transformation, like where I'm at in life, and then where I'm heading in life. So if you would like to be part of this journey as I'm becoming, and then I would like you to become with me as well. So if you would like to be part of that transformation, please subscribe to the page. And then you also, please, when we post something, please like, please comment, please share. So this community will grow as we help one another to become the best version of ourselves. What I would like to see at the end of the day is that, you know, a person says, you know, I have found myself. Now I have a better understanding of what God has called me to be. You know, I believe that we didn't come on this earth just to exist. We came to change our lives. We came for a reason. There is a purpose why you are here on this earth. So I want to see us fulfilling that purpose as we've come to on earth. It can be that you believe in God. If you believe in God, there's a reason why God has created you. If you don't believe in God, whatever that you are believing in, that higher power, the universe, or whatever that you are believing in, there's a purpose for you to be here on earth. So I would like you to be part of this journey as we are becoming. Please like, subscribe, comment in the comment section so we can grow this business, this podcast together. And I would love to see people becoming who God has created them to be. So thank you for today, for listening, and then please look out for the podcasts that are following as we're going to be educating ourselves in different areas of our lives. Thank you so much for listening. I love you so much. It's been great having you. Please don't forget, let us become every day. Thank you.